for watching. We're going to be going over how to cap off a drain. You don't want to just leave it open because it'll stink. All drains lead to, guess what, sewage. So we've got a cap here, and if you're looking for the size of yours and you're not sure and you're a beginner, this one says 1 1/2 cap, okay, which means that this one's 1 1/2, and the pipe is a little bit smaller, but usually you could find the writing on the side of almost every single piece of what size that drain is going to be. So next what you're going to do is you're going to cut your pipe, and it's not pressurized, so it's not real serious. Rubber cement will take care of the job and seal it off correctly. So you pick up one of these at the hardware store. You've got your cut made, and you got some PVC. I got some primer there. Not 100% necessary, but I like to use it. It seals it. Got some rubber cement here. What you're going to do is take your rubber cement and put it inside of the pipe. And I got one hand here, guys. So you just do that. I've already cleaned off my pipe just with my hand. I brushed it off. Made sure that there was no like dirt or shards laying around to make sure it's sealed real good. That's it. Take your cap. Got rubber cement all over, and you turn it on. I need to use two hands. Two hands there. Had to pause the video and capped it off. Next, you're going to take your primer, which I got right there. You're going to just drip it around the edging. It'll seal it. Plus, a lot of help or inspectors who come check out a house like to see that on there. Shows that you've done the job right. So usually you can buy these two in a kit together. Get them for about 10 bucks, maybe less. All right, so that's about it. That's how you seal off a pipe, and you're not getting that off. So once you squeeze it on there, it's stuck for good. You're gonna have to probably cut it if you're gonna want to re-pipe this. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped out. Give me a thumbs up.